Okay, question number 4. A student drops a math book from a bridge that is 120 meters high. How fast is it going when it meets the water below? So that sounds like there's not much information. The only number you see in front of you is 120 meters. Okay, and we can say, remember that we always put anything with meters, we'll say is xf/d. Okay? All right, now, besides that, though, you have a bunch of givens that are implied. If you see that something is dropped, then you know the initial velocity is 0. Anytime something's dropped, it wasn't thrown down, you know that VI is going to be 0. So 0 meters per second. Also, you know that anytime something is falling, if it's dropped, if anything here on Earth, you know the acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So now we have more givens than we thought. We have the 120, we have the 0, we have the negative 9.8. They're asking how fast. So it's asking for VF when it hits the water below. So VF equals question mark. Okay. All right, so we plug it in and we have to pick our equation. So looking at your list of givens, you have 2 questions to ask as always. One, is there a time in your list of givens? And the answer is no. So if there is no time, you right away know that your equation will be the second one. VF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2AD. We need VF, so that means we have to square root both sides. And we have VI squared plus 2AD, all square rooted, will equal our final velocity. We'll plug it in. So we have VI is 0 plus 2. Now here's where it gets tricky because we got to worry about the square root symbol. Because there's a negative 9.8 there, we're going to have a problem if we have a square root of a negative number. So that is still negative 9.8. However, think about your displacement. If it fell down, and we say down is negative because we said gravity is negative 9.8, that means that your displacement will also have to be negative also. So it'll be negative 120. If you leave both as positive, that's fine. So if you plugged it in and you got positive 2 times positive 9.8 times 120, it would work out to be the same thing, and that's okay. Basically, you would say for that problem, you decided that everything down is positive. All right, plug that in, you'll get your answer, and that'll be right.